Hello friends. So in this lecture we are going to proceed with our third project, which is going to be animated loader. Have you ever wondered that how to create an animated loader? And the process, the idea is really very simple, friend. Yes. So let's proceed. The thing is, here we have already loaded the HTML boilerplate, which is really very easy. Let me show you. I have shown you, I guess, previously, but let me show you once more. So just write here doc, then provide a tab in Visual Studio Code. And if you have Emmet, then you can just write HTML:5, provide enter. That's it. Okay, so let me delete this one. Yeah. So here we have a title of animated loader. Inside the body tag, we are going to have just a single div tag. Yes, friend. So div with a class of, say, loader. That's it, guys. That's it. That's our complete HTML. All the tricks are going to be in CSS. So let's come here. Here we are going to have a style tag. Inside it, let's style our body. Background, let's provide a dark background, say #111. Next, display flex. Now why flex? The thing is, this loader which is there, we want it to be aligned right at the center horizontally and vertically. For this, we are using display flex to the parent. Who is loader's parent? This body, right? So display flex, and we need two more properties, that is justify content center and align items center. That's it. Justify content is for horizontal centering and align items center is for vertical centering. Okay. And we need to provide height, which we will give 100% viewport height. Alright, that's it. Next, let's come to our loader. So the thing is, here we want it to be a little bit bigger. So for that, let's provide it, say, 80 pixel. Width and height also 80 pixel. And you know how to create a circle, right? Yes. Border radius 50%. Border radius 50%. Next, we will not give any background color. Okay. So you can write like background transparent. Okay. Now border. What will be the border? Border, let's give it around, say, 8 pixel. 8 pixel. Solid. And what will be its color? Transparent. Yes, the trick is here, friend. The trick is here. We are going to have border top. Border top 8 pixel solid, and let's make its color #FFF. Alright, let's hit save and let's take a look. Okay, so this is it. Now we are going to spin it with animation. Yes, and that we are going to do in our next lecture. So see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.